Good afternoon. My name is Bruce. Not a tech guy at all, but I do have an action camera. This is a Hero 3, and I have trouble getting smooth footage when I'm walking with it and that. I've got gimbals, Osmo 3, and a cheap gimbal here that I bought for my phones, and they work really, really well. But when I got one of these, I have a channel called Isolation of Danny. I do a lot of filming. So these come in really, really handy. But I didn't want to spend the money on getting a gimbal just for this, because I already got two other gimbals. It's pretty hard to explain to certain family members that you want to spend some more money. So I have a son-in-law that printed this up on his 3D printer. He said it was very easy to do. So all you do is slide your phone in. It's got, so you can get through to turning on your Bluetooth and top and the front's all accessible. Then you just take it and slide it in, and you're good to go. It works really, really well. I'm quite happy with it. Didn't have to spend any money. I've got it on a monopod, so you can put it up as far as you want to go and make it look really cool. Make it look like drone shots and everything else. This is the one I'm using. They're, I think you can get them for $65 to $90 US, around $100 Canadian, or a little more. And I took a little bit of footage. Hope you enjoy it. See what you think. Leave a comment below. Will this work for you? Save you some money? Maybe it will. Got any friends with a 3D printer? Do it. Here's the footage.